Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best beauty products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most sought-after hair extensions, the Best Moisture Remy Rain Wet and Wavy Weave. If you've been searching for that perfect, natural wave look, then you're in the right place. Now, let's get into what makes the Moisture Remy Rain Wet and Wavy Weave stand out from the crowd. This product is made with high-quality Remy hair, which is known for its natural feel, durability, and exceptional texture. The weave is designed to give you that beautiful, wet and wavy look that holds up even in the most humid conditions. Whether you're heading to the beach or dealing with a rainy day, this weave keeps your hair looking flawless. The color of this weave is a medium brown, which blends beautifully with most natural hair tones, giving you a seamless, realistic finish. It's perfect for those looking to add volume and body to their hair without the hassle of constant upkeep. You can wear it straight, wavy, or curly. The versatility is truly one of its strongest features. Let's talk about the feel. The high-temperature fiber used in this weave is incredibly soft, mimicking the softness of natural hair. This makes it not only easy to style but also comfortable to wear throughout the day. You won't have to worry about tangles or frizz. It stays smooth and manageable, even after long hours of wear. One thing I particularly love about this product is its ability to blend with your natural hair. It gives you that fresh out of the shower look without looking unnatural or overly styled. If you're someone who enjoys a low-maintenance, yet stylish, hairdo, the Wet and Wavy Weave is ideal. In terms of the cap size, this weave is designed to fit most head sizes comfortably. It has an adjustable cap that allows for a customized fit, which is great if you're looking for something that won't slip or feel too tight. The length of the weave also provides ample styling options. You can wear it long or trim it to your preferred length, making it even more versatile for different occasions. But what really sets the Moisture Remy Rain Wet and Wavy Weave apart is its resilience. This weave is built to last. Whether you're out for a day in the sun, or simply styling for a night out, the waves stay intact and continue to look amazing. It's not just about style, it's about quality and longevity, and this product delivers on both. So, if you're in the market for an effortless, stylish, and durable hair extension, the Best Moisture Remy Rain Wet and Wavy Weave should be at the top of your list. With its soft texture, beautiful waves, and realistic finish, it's a must-have for anyone who loves to keep their hair looking fresh and fabulous all day long. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. I hope you found this review helpful.